Hi, my name is Keith Mazza. Most of you know me as Sifu Keith. Welcome to our channel.
Hey everybody, Sifu Keith here, and today's video comes with a question. Question is an application to set 9 on the wooden dummy. So we're going to go through one of the combat applications. This will greatly help your Wing Chun. You get a better understanding for how to use your wooden dummy. But before we do that, I need you to click the boxes to like and subscribe. This will help us with our channel. And click the button to always to be kept up with our latest videos.
Okay, so let's look at the application of set 9. So we're going to take it left and right in two different formats. So the first aspect we're going to do is we're going to go parallel, and we're going to deal with a front kick and punch. So I line up with my opponent. Now we're taking things out of a side neutral because it's a pre-contact stance. You can take the same thing out of a front stance. It really doesn't change. So let's just deal with the front kick. He shuffles the front kick. So from the side neutral, I'm taking a back step and using a T-step to cover. If I'm in a front stance, it's the same aspect. I'm just stepping off the line with that same foot. So let's put it together now. Front kick and punch. I'm in a T-step, low bone. He steps in. I create some distance utilizing my Tan Sao. Lao Sao around. I check from here. I use a Pak Sao on the dummy. It's a palm strike. Remember, the only thing is on the dummy, the only set with a punch is set 3. But here, if you want to supplement a punch or a palm strike, no problem. Chun Sao, Lob Sao. So the side palm here brings his head back. Check from here and then go in for the sweep. So one more time like that. Stepping off the line, low bone, coming into Tan, Lao Pak, Chun Lop, step through and punch. So that's in direct correlation with set 9. Remember, you always have to interrupt. So we'll throw in one interruption really quick. Shuffles the front kick. I come in here, he throws the straight punch. From the Pak Sao, if he throws that other punch, it's no big deal. I can still utilize the Tan from here, come in and strike, and then go in and take the throw. So remember, utilizing the concept of touch one hand and look at the other. Let's look at that from the other side. Front kick comes in, low bone. My Tan comes up to disperse. Lao, slip around. I work my way in. Pak palm, Chun Lop. The side palm takes his weight off that leg, so I can emphasize the throw. Come in, Yun Gurk, and palm strike simultaneously. Another variation to this can be is we're going to come up, instead of him using the front kick, he's going to half step up, cross arm, and throw a low round punch. I'm still creating distance here. So to apply set 9, if he throws that punch, I'm going to use my Tan, move outside, Pak, Chun Lop, and we're back to the same throw. So let's look at this on the other side, switch sides. Comes in, low round, I create some space, throws another one. I'm defensive here, Lao around, I move in, strike to the body. Chun Lop, side palm, take his weight off that leg, and then I go in for my throw. Several applications to set 9 on the wooden dummy.
And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And when you hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification to all so we can let you know as soon as we put out a new video. And we want you to know that we're here for you. So leave your comments below. We're going to get back to each and every one of you to make sure your questions get answered.
And once again, thank you. We look forward to being your all things Wing Chun and more for many years to come.